This is the Range Rover Velar. As you can see, you have a black contrasting roof along with gloss black alloys, which provides a sporty vibe. You also have an electrically deployable tow bar, privacy glass and keyless entry. Going inside the vehicle, you have aluminium aerodynamic tread plates along with a full leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light and can be controlled here. A rear view camera, perfect for reversing and parking. Sat nav and other functions which can be controlled using the buttons on the wheel. You also have cruise control and a heated steering wheel. Along with heated and cooled massage seats in the front, which is a luxury to have. The front seats are also memory, which is ideal if there's several people driving the car, and you have a Meridian sound system. Stepping back outside of the vehicle, that was the Range Rover Velar. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.